Libec just introduced a new tripod. It's very lightweight, but what's really new for them, it's the first time that they have a tripod head with Arca-Swiss plate.
This is a CineD Gear News video, supported by B&H and CVP.
Hi guys, I'm Johnny from CineD and I'm here with Koichi-san from Libec. Koichi-san, how are you?
Great, thank you so much.
Good to see you again. And the reason that we are meeting and talking is because you finally created your first head with Arca-Swiss plate. What led you to make actually such a much smaller head?
The main reason is because there's so many people who wants a small video head, maybe a tripod, traveling tripod with Arca-Swiss, and it makes more sense for a lot of people to have this type of plate.
Is this an adaptation for something you had before, or you really redesigned the head from scratch?
Oh, everything is from scratch. We made everything from the design to molds. Everything is specially designed for this usage, which is traveling. The concept is lightweight, compact, but very a smooth movement, fluid head, and compact with the legs.
Did you sacrifice any performance with this fluid head?
We didn't sacrifice anything. Actually, it took us a long time to make this because we wanted the best movement, but with low weight and compact. So that was a very big struggle and challenge for us. But I think we did a good job in making this product.
Now, after you excited me about this specific small head, will it be sold separate from the legs or only as a kit?
Right now, we are thinking as a kit, but if we have a demand in the market for the head only, then we might consider it.
And the legs, the tripod itself is also new?
Yes, the legs are completely new as well. We added a handle, carrying handle from the beginning. It's not an option, it's in the set. You can take it off if you would like, but it's in the set. And we have screw holes in 3 sides of the tripod, which is very convenient for monitor arms.
And how do you attach the tripod head to the tripod legs?
We have 2 ways you can attach the head to the tripod. One way is the bowl. We have a bowl clamp in the set, so if it's a 65 millimeter bowl tripod, you can put the head with the bowl clamp. And we also have a system, we call it the dual head, but it can be also mounted on a flat base with a 3/8 inch screw. So it could be a good match with a lot of tripods.
But the big surprise is really the price. How much is this going to be sold for?
We estimate the price below $200 US dollars.
So you're really trying now to compete some of the Chinese companies and give a good fight. That's how it looks.
Yes, that is true, yes.
Maybe we could talk about, a little bit about the payload and the overall weight of the whole tripod because it's really lightweight.
Yes, it's 2.7 kilograms as a kit, including the carrying handle and the tripod, everything. And the payload is up to 3 kilograms. So you can put your camera, a mirrorless camera, a DSLR with a rig on. That will be the maximum, I guess. And one thing I want to point out, which is the unique point of this product, is that the lock is also a friction knob. So you can change the friction of the pan and tilt with each knob. But when you screw it in fully, then it makes it a lock. And the friction is very, very smooth, and we are very proud of this product, yes.
I have to say, I just played with the head and it is smooth. This is really something that me personally looking for, something with Arca-Swiss and very much to serve me as a good tripod head. Very nice. When it's going to be available?
We think it will be available end of January or maybe beginning of February around the world.
Globally or only globally? Okay. Good. Koichi-san, thank you very much. Always nice talking to you. Thank you. Guys, thank you very much for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.